good morning, darlings. Welcome back to my channel. It is actually my birthday today, and this is how my morning is starting. Yeah, as you can see, I have the little one behind on my back because he decided to wake up while I'm getting his older brother dressed for school. His older brother is having his breakfast, getting ready for school. So today is my birthday. Actually, I don't have anything planned. I'm just going to take you guys along how my day is going to go today, somehow like a day in my life on my birthday. So guys, I'm a year older today, a year wiser. Thank God for health. Guys, say a prayer for me, please. That is the only wish I want from you guys, to say a prayer for me. Okay, and the second wish is to support my channel, watch my videos, share my videos. Yes, those are enough birthday gifts for me today. So guys, I'm just going to show you a clip of how my day is going to go like today, like morning to evening. It might not be a full clip, but I'm just going to give you guys a preview of what is going to happen today on my birthday, February 5th. Yeah, and it's a year older today. Cause Charlie, it's my birthday. You gotta party like it's my birthday. My son is now George. So we just dropped George off at school. We're going back home to start our day. Look. So guys, now that George is in school, we are back home. I'm about to feed him his breakfast now. I usually feed him anytime from 8:30 upwards. Anything lesser than that, he doesn't take the bottle. So he's having his breakfast now. As for me, I hope he sleeps like he usually does, because he woke up too early because I was getting his brother prepared for school. He had to partake. So I hope he sleeps so I can go about my usual duty today. And I'm kind of hungry this morning, even though I'm not a breakfast person. I don't eat breakfast, but okay, I will take an exception today, maybe because today is my birthday. That's why I feel hungry. So maybe a cup of chocolate, cocoa. It's not a bad idea. I'm going to have that once I finish with him. He has been changed. So once we finish eating now, I'll try and make him go back to sleep. Then go about my usual duty and see what today brings. As for today, for food, for lunch, hubby has lunch. Yeah, I made roast potatoes and a lamb in the oven yesterday, and a lot of it was remaining, and hubby told me that okay, I shouldn't stress myself today being my birthday to cook lunch, that he's going to have that. As for George, he doesn't have lunch, so I'm definitely going to make something for George. And I think what I'll make for me, that's what I'll make for George. I'm planning to make some spicy prawns today. They're not so big, medium prawns with white rice. I'll make George's so not so spicy. As for baby, he has his baby food that I'll give to him that I'll eat. So that's basically all. So I'm going to take you guys along when I'm making my food. It might not be a detailed video. You can see the full video on my food channel. Yes, my cooking channel. Aside that, I am actually grateful today for being +1. It's not easy. Many wish to see this day, and here I am. Lord, I thank you. Like I said earlier, say a prayer for me on my birthday and go watch my videos, share my videos. That's the best gift you can give to me, guys. My home. Lord, at the end of this day, ask for nothing other than I have to say I don't wish. Guys, I'm just doing some sober reflection, reminding God of the promises He made. My little boy wants to cry with me. Just be thankful for having a year and to remind God of that thing He promised me. So Guys, I am having that cocoa I told you guys about. Today's my birthday. I can indulge, right? Like I said, I'm not a breakfast person. And also the video before this one, yeah, where you saw me praying, yeah, I am not a very devoted Christian. Okay, I can say I'm not a very devoted Christian, but I do believe in God a lot. I believe God is real. I believe there's a God watching over us. So I don't take my prayers for granted. The little time I have to pray, I do it. And that was what I was doing. I didn't mean to film it. I wasn't filming. But as I was in the mood, my son, my little boy, thought I was crying. Oh, okay. I was actually, okay, crying a bit, a bit. I was just relating my wishes to God. I was thanking Him for adding another year to my age. I was thanking Him for good health, and I was also reminding Him of His promises to me. His promises that He hasn't fulfilled yet, which I know He's going to do very soon. And my little boy came. I was trying to console me. I was intrigued. Even in my state, I noticed, I felt his hands on my back, and I was like, what? This boy thought I'm crying. Oh, okay, he heard me. Like I said, I did cry a bit. I had to just film a short clip of it to show you guys. Children. Oh God, that is the joy of having children. Oh my God, I have a little mark concerning mommy. Guys, I'm talking too much now. My eyes are red. Let me drink my cocoa. And I thought I should just indulge myself. But that is my birthday. I deserve it. Let me eat this wafers to top my cocoa. And also while taking my cocoa, it's a miss for me to go through my phone, YouTube, especially those videos I have missed. I take my time now to watch some videos for at least another 30 minutes to catch up. Then I go do other housework. I've kind of missed a lot of videos of recent. I'm sorry guys, it'll be easy. Another thing I dread about this day on my birthday is the whole loads of messages I receive. Oh my God, I always feel guilty when I can't reply all of them. I said I always feel guilty when I can't reply all of them. Please, you guys should bear with me. Guys, as I'm talking now, it's 9 a.m. in the morning. I'm scared to open my WhatsApp. A lot of messages, Facebook, Instagram DM. Well, not so much, it's still money, but still, in total, I have almost 16, 17 messages already. I don't know where to start from replying them. Anyways, God bless you all for the wishes. I feel so overwhelmed with all the messages I'm getting. I get a lot of messages on my birthday, yes. And I feel so happy. They are more than any gift anyone could ever ask for. So have me in mind. I feel blessed. So guys, next I'm just going to take off some of the clothes I wash. You know it's winter. Hungry clothes outside, they never get dry, so I usually hang them inside the house. Usually how my days go. So guys, for my birthday I'm going to be making some shrimps fried rice. You've got my rice, everything's prepared, and some chili prawns by the side. See them? Yeah. So guys, I'm just going to show you some few clips of how I'm going to be preparing this meal. See all my ingredients ready. I prepared everything already. My little man is disturbing me. He refuses to sleep. So here's the prawns. prawns. I want to make chili prawns. I told you guys. It's not too much. How can they call this king size prawns? What an insult. This is nowhere near. This is nowhere near king size. See, how is this king size? Okay. So if you know me, you know I was like stirring my food with this. Garlic powder too. A little bit of paprika. Though I blended my tomato with something like this. Just going to go in with my blended tomato, onion, and spicy pepper. I think this pot is too small. I think it's kind of small. I'm going to marinate it. I don't want to add paste tomato. My little boy decided to sleep after all. See, I'm cooking and you can see my chili prawns is coming up nice. I didn't make all in the pack. Let's save it for next time. If it was left to me, I would have eaten this with white rice. It goes best. So guys, remember I told you all I had the leftover from yesterday, a lamb and roast potato that my husband wanted. So I'll be putting it back. In the oven to heat it up. It was in the fridge before, so I'm going to heat it up in the oven. I'm just adding a bit of oil on top. It was very tasty. Jeez. So my baby boy woke up. I'm going to feed him banana. Hello. Birthday gift for my sister in love. Thank you so much, Dina.
You're welcome.
My sister in love. So my sister-in-law got me this beautiful jacket. I totally love it. It's actually my first gift for today, but my first gift ever came from my sister and my mother-in-law. Oh, my mother-in-law never misses my birthday. She gives me money to buy whatever I want every year. She's even the first to remember. God bless her. My sister, my mother-in-law, and now my sister-in-law gave me this beautiful gift. And a friend sent me 20 euro to paper. Remember when I put my paper on Instagram? Yes, for my Instagram friends, you guys will recall I put my paper on my Instagram. So a friend sent me 20 euro from Norway. So now my sister-in-law got me this lovely, I love the color. Even though she told me that if I don't like it, I can change it. The shop is just close by. It is allowed to change it, but I totally love it. What do you guys think? Yay, my birthday cake is here. Happy birthday, birthday cake. So here's my cake. Here are some sweets that came with it. Let's see how my cake looks like. Oh, I got me candy too. Yay, see my cake. Chocolate cake. Lovely strawberry.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anna. Happy birthday to you. Sigamos direito.
So guys, so far that's how my birthday is going. I couldn't sing very well while eating, so I'm going to start devouring into my cake now. So it has strawberry too, and strawberry is one of my favorite fruits. Wow. So I'm going to glam up for my birthday and take some pictures. Later in the day, this says he might be taking me out. I don't know yet. If we go, I'll vlog it. If not, I think that's how my birthday is going to end. Because after I finish this cake now, I'm going to take my baby to bed for a nap. It's afternoon nap. But the time now is about past 3 p.m. So, life of a mother. Can't do much on my birthday, but so far so good. I'm having a nice birthday. So guys, in the spirit of my birthday, I decided to go to a boutique close by and do a bit of shopping. Not okay, just one stuff. Maybe pick something for myself from the money hubby gave me as my birthday gift. Even my mother-in-law gave me money too. So I just want to pick something to celebrate my birthday. Maybe a nice dress, a nice coat, thanks anyway. Let's go. So I'm going in here. Oh, they will have 50% sales. Good for me. I'm gonna pick up something for myself. This does not look bad anyway, but I think the other one is better. Nah, this one. So guys, I left the boutique. I just got myself a little dress. Nothing expensive. I spent 27 euro for a little dress because it was 30% discount, not 50 that I saw on the door, just 30%. So I'm going back home to. I told you all, it's gonna be a kind of quiet birthday for me. My boys are taking their nap, even their father, and all out here dressed up for my birthday, going nowhere yet. I did take some pictures anyway, and I did a video. Okay, at least I had time to do a sit-down video today. So far so good. My birthday has not been bad. We've eaten, ate cake, and in the evening, maybe around 6-7, we might go for a little acting, and I'll try to vlog. But in case we don't go, I don't mind too, because I don't really feel like going out, because today it rained. The weather is not so really nice. So far so good. That's how my birthday is going. Nothing much. Birthday girl is just here in the living room making a video. Hi, the boys are sleeping. The princess, so I'm the queen, is here in the living room having the desired birthday rest. If you call this rest, but at least my boys are sleeping. So guys, what do you think of my outfit? Happy birthday to me once more. So guys, this is my birthday outfit. What do you guys think? So guys, here are some few of my birthday pictures. Ended up not going out. Hope you enjoyed watching. Bye.